Vechain is one of the few coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market, and on today's video I will be focusing on my long-term price prediction analysis and above all discuss my short-term price prediction analysis, where we have seen a massive breakout to the upside after breaking above a key area of resistance, and also after a breakout out of this bull flag that we had been trading within. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis. You can see that after getting our bear market lows last year, we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.05503 in a move that I believe peaked in this 𝗕𝗖𝗑𝗪 count 1. And after we got our high in that 𝗕𝗖𝗑𝗪 count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗖𝗑𝗪 count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are very high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming days or maybe weeks we are going to start that aggressive bounce to the upside in an 𝗕𝗖𝗑𝗪 count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this 𝗕𝗖𝗑𝗪 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.08699. Then from that point we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in a wave 4 before we can continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗖𝗑𝗪 count 5 in a move that should easily get us back above the $0.1 and possibly taking us to new all-time highs, giving us more than a 10x to the upside, to also give you the first indication that that impulsive movement to the upside in a wave 3 is just getting started. You can see on the daily chart we have seen a break to the upper side of this descending trend line, which is an indication that we have started to see a change of structure of this downward movement that we have been seeing for the last few months, and this could be the start of that impulsive movement in this wave 3. So that is the first indication that we have on the daily chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, to the 1-hour chart, to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. In the past few videos I have been saying to you that we are going to see a massive breakout to the upside, breaking out of this bull flag that we had here on the charts, and the minimum target areas were being given by getting the height, that is the length of this pole over here, then placing it above the area of the breakout, giving us a minimum target area above the 0.0268, which is an area that we have now fully maximized in a move that has now given us a high above the 0.027. And now all we need to see is a break above our key area of resistance above the 0.02702, and the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then I will be expecting to see Vechain get us back above the 0.03 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that we can get rejected over here, and if that is the case, then I will be watching for a short-term pullback to support above the 0.02497, and as long as that continues to hold, there's a chance of another bounce back, giving us a successful break above the 0.027 with a retest and get us back above the 0.03 in the next coming hours. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.